Morning. It's almost 8 and the first few people are already there at the beach. They have secured their spot for the rest of the day probably. To stay there and enjoy the nice 33 degrees it'll get today. Looks beautiful how the sun is rising right over here in Benidorm. Did some drone videos this morning of the sun rising up from behind the mountains, so if you're interested in that, definitely check out that video. Right now I'm going for a nice stroll over. It is currently still, while it is getting 33, right now it's a lovely 26 degrees, but in the next hour it'll get up to 29 and afterwards, yeah, you guess it, above 30. And I will stay for a long day. Some people jogging here this morning. Still the perfect weather out. I think in the next hour, when it is above 30 degrees, you don't want to do that anymore. It's already quite hot then. And I think I see from here on the side, yeah, there are more people coming over there. But over here, the first few, they just set up their chairs and that's it. No one there. Seems like those hotel mornings you see, where people put up their towel on a sunbed and that's it, and then return later during the day. These aren't occupied, of course you have to pay for these, and people are at work already. They have put them all out again. And now let's head towards the market. I'm curious to see how it will be over there, because on Sunday mornings we usually have the market here, and as well today. And right now the temperature is still quite bearable. You can see that the sand was being filtered over here last night. And the reason why the sand is still a bit wet right over here is because they have cleaned the promenade. Looks much cleaner now, right? But as I've said, let's head towards the market. Take this alley over here. And there we are already at Avenida Mediterraneo. There is a very small tapas bar, new I believe, over here. Saying we have for just €7. 2 cocktails, 9. And it's about right over here if you head towards the right. On the opposite, it's got Saffron Lounge, the new one. But we've got to get across the road over here. All bars and everything that is down here still closed. That's how early we are. And here we are at the Flash Hotel, and as you can see, as it is a Sunday, that means it is a departure day. People waiting for the bus. Now, I don't expect these bars to be open already over here. I don't think they serve breakfast as well. We've got the Explorers over here on the left. A bit further on, Uncle Pat's and Riviera Bar. Mostly bars that do only offer drinks and some foods during daytime or evenings. On the right side we've got the pool of the Rosamar. No one here yet and still fenced off. Riviera Beach Hotel. At Uncle Pat's they are putting out the tables and the chairs already. Cleaning crew at work. So yeah, it's a beautiful, quiet morning today, and I love it. Really do. The temperature is still pleasant to be out. During daytime it gets really hot over here. And if you like it as well, then please consider giving it a like. Really helps it against the YouTube algorithm. And want to see more, then do subscribe to the channel. Really love these morning walks. Back there we can see the Golden Arcos Hotel. and the President is right next to it on the left. And those bars over here at 8, no one yet. Wonder if there are any of them open. At least this one isn't. And in a few hours this place will be packed with people having breakfast. Maybe go immediately to lunch already. And over here we can see they open at 9. The Pueblo Hotel and the Pueblo Market. There we have it. And it looks like we have it all to ourselves this morning. There's hardly anyone walking over here. Usually it's shoulder to shoulder the time when I get there. And while you do have the place to yourself, not everything is quite done yet. But I believe that wouldn't take long anymore. They're very quickly at putting these markets up. You could have a stroll through it already. But I think I would recommend coming maybe at 8:30, then everything will be finished. Well, the fruit market is ready already. But over here is still empty here. Yeah, they're still hard at work. I'm not going to walk through it right now. We all know how those shopping streets look like. Well, over here this one looks done. Let's take a walk through it. It is very different having this place all to yourself. Quite some people shopping already. Well, the bar up here is open already. Let's go and check out those bars over there are open already. Maybe you can get some coffee around there if you are maybe too early to stroll around an almost finished market. Over here there's one on the left, it is open already. Victoria's is called. So, is it worth getting out here already at 8? No. Most of it isn't finished yet, but if you don't mind that, then yeah, definitely. But I would recommend coming back at 8:30, maybe even 9 AM. Then everything is finished. Yes, it is probably a little bit busy already. Not that many people are heading towards there right now. And while we are out there, why not take a quick trip through the strip to check out how that is going on this early. Probably we'll still see plenty of cleaning going on. Royal Secret, completely dark and closed. Clay oven. And I'm heading towards the left. Hotel Presidente up there. So there we have this bit of the strip. Insomnia. Further on there are some cleaning crews at work. And I'm heading towards the left. Crown Pub. Hotel California. And the streets are clean. They have been here already. Some supermarkets here never close. And on the left, at the Western, cleaning crews are at work, making sure this place is clean again to open up in about 2 hours. I believe they open at 10. On the opposite, the Wild Duck and another supermarket. This is one that is open already, John and Joseph's. You could get some breakfast over here, some coffee. And you'll be the first one over here right now. Got the Wiki, which is also one of the bars that opens quite early, I believe. Cleaning crews are at work. Let's take a look at the show program for this evening. And let's finish with probably the most popular breakfast over here in Benidorm, the Brunch Box. Opened recently, a few years ago I believe. But they have a delicious breakfast over here. Definitely worth trying out when you're here. Open at 9 AM. And that is as well what I want to end this video with. Thank you all for watching. Definitely do give a like if you enjoyed it. Do subscribe if you want to see more. And have an amazing day everyone. Bye bye.